Welcome to Nihalacademy. So today we'll discuss intermediate first year second chapter motion in straight line. So from that kinetic equations for uniformly accelerated motion. So we'll derive the equations of motions by using a graph. So we'll take that VT graph. So we'll take time on x-axis and this horizon O and this is the y-axis. So this is VT graph. Now body started with initial velocity means we will take from here. So this is and accelerated with the uniform acceleration. So this is initial velocity. So that is u and attain the final velocity. This is v with respect to the y-axis. So v is the final velocity. Now from this point, if you draw the perpendicular to the x-axis, that is the time. Now we'll draw the dotted line which is parallel to x-axis. So the body is started from initial velocity, this uniform accelerated motion. So and final velocity v and time taken is that is O to d, it is equal to t seconds, and this is meter per second velocity. So from this we can write a body is moving with initial velocity u with initial velocity u and under uniform acceleration. Under uniform acceleration. అంటే బాడీ ఇనీషియల్ వెలాసిటీతో స్టార్ట్ అయింది, అట్లాగే యూనిఫామ్లీ యాక్సలరేషన్. సో యాక్సలరేషన్ ఈజ్ హియర్ యూనిఫామ్ యాక్సలరేషన్, దట్ ఈజ్ ఏ. నెక్స్ట్ ఫైనల్ వెలాసిటీ వి. ఫైనల్ వెలాసిటీ v and to travel s distance, so time taken is t. It has taken t seconds. The body u initial velocity తో స్టార్ట్ అయ్యి యూనిఫామ్ యాక్సిలరేటెడ్ మోషన్ లో v అనే ఫైనల్ వెలాసిటీ రీచ్ అయింది. t అనేది ద టైం టు ట్రావెల్ దట్ డిస్టెన్స్. సో ఇప్పుడు దీని నుంచి మనం హౌ టు డిరైవ్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ మోషన్ ఎలా చేయాలో చూద్దాం. దిస్ ఈస్ VT గ్రాఫ్. ఈ VT గ్రాఫ్ నుంచి స్లోప్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తే, సో ద స్లోప్ ఆఫ్ VT graph. So we know that slope of VT graph gives acceleration. అంటే ఈ గ్రాఫ్ కి స్లోప్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తే అది యాక్సలరేషన్ ఇస్తుంది. సో యాక్సలరేషన్ A is equal to, we know that A is the letter to represent acceleration. A is equal to slope. How can we calculate? Difference on y-axis by difference on the x-axis. So what is the difference here? Y-axis here, the slope of the graph. So the slope of graph, it is equal to BC by AC. So slope of the graph, it is equal to BC by AC. Here BC, it is equal to the difference between initial velocity and final velocity. అంటే v minus u. సో దీని నుంచి మనం బీసీ ప్లేస్లో ఏం రాయొచ్చు, v మైనస్ u బై ఏసీ. ఏసీ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఓడి. సో ఏసీ is equal to OD, and this OD it is equal to t seconds, is equal to t. So AC we can replace with the t, and AC place మనం t రాయొచ్చు. ఇప్పుడు ఇది క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేస్తే, సో A is equal to V minus U by t. దీన్ని క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేద్దాం. సో క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేస్తే AT is equal to V minus U. So V minus U is equal to A into T. So దీని నుంచి V is equal to, how can we write the V final velocity? So V is equal to minus U ని equal to symbol right side తీసుకెళ్దాం. So if you take the minus U to the right side of the equal symbol, then it will become plus. So minus U అనేది plus U అవుతుంది. So U plus, what is this? AT. So this is the first equation of motion. V is equal to U plus AT. Here V is the final velocity, U is the initial velocity, A is acceleration, and T is the time. So దీన్ని మనం ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ మోషన్ అని పిలుస్తాం. So V is equal to U plus AT. So by using graph we derived that first equation of motion, that is V is equal to U plus AT. We will try to derive the second equation of motion by using graph. This is a VT graph. Slope of the VT graph gives acceleration and area of this graph. So area means this is the total area we have to calculate. Here this is the first one and second one. This is in the shape of rectangle and this is in the form of triangle. So I have to calculate the area, means area of OACD and area of ABC we have to calculate. So the total area, it gives the displacement of the body. So the area of VT graph gives displacement. So from the graph area equal to displacement. Displacement of body. So area of VT graph gives displacement. So now displacement S is equal to, this is area, that means area of VT graph gives displacement. So displacement is equal to area of OACD plus area of triangle ABC. Now the displacement S is equal to area of OACD. So it is in the form of rectangle. So length into breadth. So L into B plus, this is area of triangle, of base into height of BH. So what is the length? Length it is equal to OD into breadth, it is equal to CD plus, this is half, and base of the triangle AC into height, it is equal to BC. సో అంటే ఇప్పుడు టోటల్ ఏరియా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలంటే ఇక్కడ మనం ఏరియా ఆఫ్ రెక్టాంగిల్ అండ్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ తీసుకుని వాటి రెండింటిని సమ్ చేస్తే మనకి టోటల్ ఏరియా వస్తుంది. ఆ టోటల్ ఏరియా అనేది దేనికి ఈక్వల్ అవుతుంది? డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ ద బాడీ. సో నౌ వాట్ ఈస్ ఓడి? ఓడి అంటే టీ ఇంటూ సిడి, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 to u, that means u plus of AC, it is equal to OD. OD it is equal to T. into BC. BC is equal to V minus U. V minus U. So this is equal to T into U. So that is equal to UT plus of T plus of into T into V minus U. Now we know the first equation. So V is equal to U plus AT. So from this, V minus U is equal to AT. So from the first equation of motion, we can write V minus U is equal to AT. Now V minus U we can replace with AT. And V minus U place మనం ఏం రాయొచ్చు AT. So this is replaced by AT. Now UT plus of T into AT. So that is equal to AT square. So this is equal to displacement of the body. So S is equal to UT plus of AT square. So this is second equation of motion of body when it is moving under uniform acceleration with initial velocity U and the displacement is S and time taken is T. So the second equation of motion, that is S is equal to UT plus of AT square, is derived by using graph.